So this is Kepler 1b, a terraform planet like Earth, but more bigger than you think it is. Big like this big. Super Earth. Yeah. And here's Borg, if you find it. No. Yeah, Borg is a cyborg planet. Or and a machine planet with its core. You can find it right away. And its core is by a magnetic field that protects it always. The Kepler 1b literally have ocean leaks from it, actually being much different. By its size, a rocket ship there would take about 784 years to get it there. That is so crazy. The end. This is Tetris 1b, the destroy demolished planet. It's kind of like Mars, but more different, hotter. But you know, this kind of terraform planet was so beautiful that it turned into this planet, not to the famous planet 560 Kelpie. By this planet is not that famous. But it's real ginormous crater in there that is rustier than Mars. And enormous. It's getting destroyed, pulled by being rogue. This planet does not like being rogue compared to the other planets like Kepler might be the ginormous one, bigger than Jupiter. But this planet is so small that it's about the size of our moon. But our moon is a planet, but it's more like an egg. Yeah, but hey. This is it for comparison with Earth. That is small. Here's Earth from Earth. It is so small. This is Pluto. Well, it was discovered in the 1930s, which it was a known planet. Until telescopes got better and better, it was not. Wow. If you notice, if people look from a telescope, they can't find it. By a rocket ship, yes they can. It takes a long time. Just like 50 years. You would already be old if you went there. To Pluto. It is right over there. That's Jupiter for there. If you noticed, our planet Pluto is this small size of our USA. But yeah, the USA's down there. You can find it. So no. Exactly. If we used Pluto like this big, if we placed it in Australia, it would be the size, because Australia is large. If you accidentally reach the Eye of Sahara, you are not right there. Beijing is a kind of a weird name. China, you know, a 1.1 billion population on China.
Oh.
Now, if you don't think Zealand is actually Zealand, but New Zealand, it's actually New Zealand, but it turned into, it was Zealand for 2.5 billion years ago. We found it. I know this. It was there until 3.5 billion years ago. It turned into New Zealand. But New Zealand was a continent. Greenland wasn't. It was really big on maps. Nope, they lied. It's about size of Texas. Because Greenland is so small. But America, for comparison, is this large compared to our Earth. On Africa, it's even larger. On Eurasia, it's even larger. In the Stranda, it's even larger. Any country is larger. Anywhere. Even long as the distance to Hawaii. It almost reaches up to, it just needs a few more miles to reach. Wow. Why does America have to be so large? Why does it have to be so large? Larger than Africa. Larger than any state. Any state. Any state. Any state. Any state. Any state. By the great leftover by Africa, which is the great crater of Africa. By its enormous size, that it's the size of the Eye of Sahara is like this compared to the crater. The crater on the globe is down to this large. And that Earth is ginormous. It is kind of the same, but it's the size of Pluto. By knowing it, Earth spins every 1 million years per second. Earth spins 100,000 million years from the 5.2 billion years into the future. You would find the giant sun, but you can't find it because everybody would be all dead. But you should go to a terraformed planet, which is just 1 light year